Bali. My room is not looking good. I can't pack, I really can't, but we've made a start. I need to, because we literally go within hours, like less than 12 hours. I'm so excited. It's come around so quickly. I am only taking my backpack, but it's going in checked, so I have limited space. But I'm hoping that there's nice stuff there that I can bring back so I don't overpack, which for me is very hard. But yeah, so this is my Bali adventures, and welcome along me, Emily and Emily. It is 3 AM. I have not slept, but the adrenaline's pumping. It's gonna get me through. Hopefully I'll sleep on the flight. I am all packed here with my backpacks, and it is Bali time.
You should invest in some cushions.
Oh, it's a video? Yeah, it's a video.
Stay still for so long.
I don't know.
Where's the picture? I bought my disposable. I bought mine from
The gym.
Yeah.
We've just got breakfast. It did not hit the spot though. We've left the Macca's and there isn't.
You said it.
We've still got an hour and a bit wait.
Did Charlie say when you woke you up?
Talking.
I'm talking, I'm vlogging. This is... Oh, it's actually really cute.
Am I recording?
Oh, I presume
Yeah,
so.
it has numbers at the top.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Getting ready to go out.
Ammo. Say hello.
Hello.
So, where can we put you? There you go, now you can do a YouTube vlog. I'm gonna grab my something too.
Welcome back to our channel.
Gone crispy.
Sponsored by Sultan.
We're using Brene, whatever it is. I'm not actually pushing. Oh no, I looked so much more tan when I was sitting here.
Yeah, I'm looking more tan than you.
Yeah, that was real. Oh, quick flex.
Doesn't really fucking matter, does it?
It is in here though.
Look, did I take it off here?
I don't know.
I don't think he's going to steal it. He probably
No, but like you might not be able to get over the border with your face.
No, I know, but
Maybe I should say bye, guys.
Vlog.
How do I do this?
Hi guys. Come for food. Guys, the food's come. So cheap. This was like, this and a wine was like £5. It's mad. I am loving this. That is such a good look. Thank you for that. My legs actually look quite tanned in this. Yeah. Yay. Do you want to give me a leg massage now?
It's squelched.
Hello. Ready for our waterfall tour. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Wow. Does it smell like coffee?
It smells good. I'm gonna say actually.
We are coffee tasting, getting some pictures. So pretty.
Sample of the product. You can try all of them.
Okay.
Give it a taste test.
First one is this one.
The ginseng coffee. Emily's being brave and trying it first.
She's not being brave and trying it first. She's a germaphobe and won't try it. If
Oh yeah, that's so true. Oh.
it tastes vegetable.
Oh no. Got some little purchases. We're at the Tersha End Pool now, which is a water temple. We're getting ready for the temple. We're going on a zipline. Gonna have some lunch with a view. The swing and the zip line were both really fun. They started like jumping, if they make it sound like this, and they started jumping as well when they'd swing us. It was so funny, it made me jump. Wait, ready? So cool. Such a good life. I don't want to go home to London. I want to stay in Australia and Bali. We've got a friend. Come on. Come swim with us.
Take a picture
29. Look at the sky.
Take a picture of me.
Okay. Go.
Hello. Welcome to As I Am Hotel
Retreat.
Retreat. This is the pool. You can go see my mum. You like to pee in the pool. Oh my god, I'm sinking. I can't do that. Okay,
Is that it?
we're going.
Wow.
Cut.
Oh my god. Look how yummy. I'm so excited. We are over halfway and I'm dying.
Can't even see my face.
How are you feeling, Emily?
I'm great. I'm great.
Rate yourself out of a 10. I'm a 6. How we're feeling?
Scale about.
Like how we're feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling great. I'm 10.
Oh, I'm not. Guys,
Oh my god.
look how amazing it is.
Some sort of something in the
It's
air.
not even the sunset. Literally.
Who are you talking to?
The vlog. Oh. Say hello. Get it in.
We can get a tan up here.
I doubt it.
It's just a bit too Actually, it's not bad. It's not offensive. It's not offensive.
Oh my god. We have made it to the hot spring. And look at the mountains.
Okay, can we do it now?
Yeah.
Like bamboo.
burgers. Of course I got a plane. Heading for our snorkel trip. We have made it to the snorkel trip location and we're getting ready to go.
You can't be taking a picture of this, but prison meal.
So we are back from our snorkel trip. It was so good. So we done snorkeling at 3 different locations, and the first one we saw manta rays and turtles, which was so cool. We then had some lunch, which was included, which was really nice, and then we done kayaking, which none of us knew we was doing kayaking, so that was really fun. I can't say I'm the best kayaker. We made it. We went through like the mangroves, like it was down like a little creek. It was the type of place where you'd want it to be a lazy river. It was so peaceful and lovely. And then headed back. We were literally out all day, but it was so good. There'll obviously have been footage included in this. I've washed my hair. Let's hope it doesn't fall out because of the water. I was gonna wash it with bottled water, but I got in there, tried, and I was like, I can't.
Just as much inside as outside though. Have you got your thingy on?
Look, a sweaty, disgusting mess. But we've come for food. We watched the sunset at Kuta Beach. We went to Seminyak, ended up in Kuta, and we've now come to Papa's Beach Cafe for dinner. The girls are just in the toilet. We all feel disgusting and need to shower. Yeah, the food looks good here. My dinner came steaming. I got Indonesian food.
What was the sauce? Peanut? No idea really. It's nice.
Oh. Is he coming? No.
Look up from your phone, mister.
You're gonna miss the bowling.
I don't want to see it. Bowling!
Oh, you didn't get them all down?
It fell.
No, it didn't. It's there. I am looking an absolute sweaty state, but I've come to the monkey forest. The girls didn't want to do it. They're a bit scared of the monkeys, so I'm here by myself, but it's our final day. We leave in a couple hours to go home, and I can't wait to shower when I get home. But it's gone so quick. It's been amazing. Like, it's so beautiful here. Oh my god, here are the monkeys. Wait. It's the monkeys. Look at them. It's there. I don't want it to jump on me. I saw someone literally have it jump and try and climb in their bag.